Hey, this is already 8th video about Looker Studio dashboard, where we create Looker Studio dashboard online and explain step by step why and what I'm doing and how each element works. Hey, my name is Gala, I'm marketing analyst, and this is my project Daily Reports, where you can find a lot of marketing dashboards in Looker Studio in template store, some of them free, some of them paid. But this is a great collection, and I have my blog about Google Sheets Looker Studio for marketing. And yeah, let's back to our dashboard. On a previous series, we created first page and set up theme and layout. And we have already a really nice first page. Now let's create a second one. What is the logic here? You can create really long one page. It is possible. Number of elements on the page are limited, so you cannot create like super long page with 100, 1000 charts, and it's really difficult to read. So it's like a book or presentation. It's better if you split it by chapters, by some pages. And if page is super short, it's not nice because you have only like this, and you don't have, like, something is missing here, right? So that is why we make it a bit longer, that you have some information, but not too much. We can add pages, clicking this icon, add page. When we add pages, we started to have a header, and we can see titles that I want to update. Yeah, so how can I rename my page? So my first page is, how did I call it here? KPI overview. KPI overview. So my first page, I want to rename it. I can just click to title and type what I want. And my second page, it's acquisition page. Rename. Oh, acquisition doesn't work. I want to copy acquisition, and I rename it. Let's see which options do we have in general. For example, what we can create. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to create a page. Delete. We can create page, section, divider, and header. Why do we need it? When we have too many pages, it's really nice to add some divider, and it will be a line, and you can see different sections here. Or if we use vertical oh my god, where is it? Vertical navigation, like let's do left. You can see divider here as a thin line. What else do we have here? Let's go. So we have a divider, we have section. Section, for example, it could be like PPC traffic. And we have like several pages about PPC traffic. And we can move them into this section, and you can open it here. So you can do this one, and we can have a header. We can say a traffic report. This is like how our dashboard called. What did I write here? Your site in action. Yeah, it could be this. Right. You can see it here, and you can see. So we have several options for navigations. Divider I will remove. I don't need it in my dashboard. Section I don't need. And one more thing that we can use. We can use icon. When I don't have icon for each page, it's simple here. If I add icon to one page, for example, I don't care any, We have unlabeled icon for all other pages. So if you set up icon for one page, I recommend you to add icon for each pages. If I move my header or my navigation to tab, I will have icons here. Let me remove them and move to top. Okay, I don't need to move to top. It's just like I don't need it. I can just do it same thing that I just drag and drop. I can select icon, clear selection, apply. Select icon, clear selection, apply. What else do I have here? I can hide page in a view mode. This is, yeah, we checked. And rename, duplicate, and delete. So duplication, it's super nice feature. And yeah, if you have several similar pages, it's nice to duplicate. You can delete and hide in a view mode. This is super easy. We have 2 pages. They're available in a view mode. If we go now and hide page, we can see it in working mode, in edit mode, but when we view it, we see only 1 page. That is why this is something that I use a lot as well. Then when we created a second page, you remember that this element were purple. So when we created second page, I already have my footer and header. And we can start working on a second page. That will be our traffic acquisition. I can copy, can I? Yeah, I can copy title. You can just write it by yourself, what you want to see. And next we will talk about bar charts and pie charts. But I think let's keep it for the next video. And this video, it's about navigation. What else can I say about pages? We have page menu on the top. We have new, duplicate, delete, current page settings. Okay, we can talk a bit about this. Next page, previous page, I think you are not interested in, but we have current page settings. Here we can set up data source for the page, default data source. We can change page background. So we have theme and layout, but we can set up like some custom background for the page, and it will override theme and layout. Also, we can change size. I have default that I set up in theme and layout, but you can create individual page size. Then we have hide current page in the view mode that we observe and manage pages. This is the same menu that I have when I click here. Now I think we are done with pages, with navigation. I don't think that it's something like rocket science, but it's nice to understand how does it work and which opportunities do you have. If you have some questions, please leave a comment. This is super important for YouTube and for me, that you give a comment, like this video, share this video, interact somehow to this video, because in this case YouTube can see that this video is interesting and it gives me motivation to do more videos, because when I don't have any reactions, my motivation is going down and yeah, I cannot create nice stuff anymore. So please, it's 1 second for you. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment please, and talk to you soon.